Welcome to Learning to Code with GlideApps.com. Before we get into our lesson, let's take a moment to understand what coding and apps are. According to a blog on hacker.io, coding is the language used by computers to understand our commands and therefore process our requests. Defined by lifewire.com, an app is a modern term for a software application, and it is most often used in reference to a mobile app or a small piece of software that runs on a website. The use of apps in the classroom often increases productivity, allows for consistent classroom management, streamlines communication between staff and parents, and makes for easier analysis of data. Learning to code can lead to having a more effective learning environment by pushing us to develop solutions to everyday tasks, cultivates our critical thinking skills, and offers a new perspective in problem solving. For this training, I will be utilizing the 5-step model for structuring training from Stolovich and Keep's book, Telling 8 Training, to create a learning-centered training. When learners understand the importance of the training, they are more likely to be invested, and by knowing where they're going, they have a higher probability of getting there. By clearly outlining what learners will be able to do at the end of the training, research shows that learners have a better chance of learning it. Creating and selecting only the activities that lead the learner directly to meeting each objective leads to a better chance of attaining mastery. If learners are assessed on what they're supposed to learn, they will have a better chance of learning it. Learners who get information about how well they are learning tend to learn better. Based on the responses from recent surveys, teachers want more professional development on how to develop digital resources to implement in their classrooms for content, classroom management, and parent communication strategies. The issue is that we do not currently have any district specialists to provide these digital resources upon request. Our objective is to create shareable training for teachers in grades pre-K through 12 so that each campus can designate their own specialists to develop resources that fit their individual needs. Teachers will use GlideApps.com to create specific area content, in this case, an app to streamline a classroom management and parent communication system, through the use of a Google Sheet to create an app that can be updated automatically and accessible to all teachers on their campus. Teachers in each grade level will collaborate to make improvements to ensure they are on track to implementing a fully functional, effective, and cohesive classroom management and communication system app. Teachers will be evaluated on 3 elements. 1. Appropriate arrangement of Google Sheets. In conclusion, while facilitating app creation training, it is crucial to keep the learners in mind, structure your lessons so that learners have a clear path to their objective, make lesson content applicable to the learner, and facilitate learning by offering suggestions and feedback as needed. This slide includes citations for all resources referenced in this lesson.